فقرات وعبارات بالإنجليزية مع ترجمة للغة العربية. حاول قراءة المقال ككل باللغة الإنجليزية، وحاول فهم المعنى ككل وتخمين ترجمة الكلمات.
Many aspects of our life require us to develop certain skills to be prepared and face the real world. So, learning a new language is vital to be competent in many aspects of our lives. Speaking English is a key skill to be competent. With these simple tips to learn languages, you will see how everything becomes easier and fun. 1. Talk. Talking puts everything you have learned into practice. Talking is a complex process that involves listening to the other person who is speaking, understanding what they are saying, planning the answer in your mind, and then expressing it orally. Remember that language is something that needs to be processed, not memorized. 2. Practice in your mind. As we mentioned earlier, language is processed in our minds. At every moment we are thinking of a new idea, remembering a moment in our life, or planning things that we have to do in the future. This is generally done in our native language, but why not force our brain to think in English? Forming sentences in another language and designing responses to different situations will help us prepare for the time when we need them. 3. Start with the simplest. In each language there are perhaps between 50 and 100 basic words. These 100 most common words are equivalent to 50% of the spoken communication that a person uses daily. Under this condition, it is possible to achieve a gradual and truly significant progress to learn a new language. 4. Take a small dictionary with you. Try to have a dictionary on hand for every time you hear or read a word you don't know. No need to carry great book. Today smartphones can make you have everything you need with just one touch. 5. Listen and read. You can watch movies with subtitles, listen to music and search for the lyrics of the songs, read news in another language, listen to audiobooks. 7. Make new friends. Interacting in a real way with the language is very important, especially when you do it with other native speakers of the language. From them you can also learn to express your thoughts correctly with everyday expressions that are never well learned with dictionaries. You can also learn the proper pronunciation for each word or expression.